Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I prepared these chocolates and I'm anxious to share this recipe with you all. It's a low carb, sugar free chocolate. So let's begin with this recipe. Place a pan and let it get hot. Add coconut oil and let it be on low flame. Add butter. So I have mentioned all the ingredients that I've used in this recipe and also their quantities down below in the description box for your reference. I've also provided the links to the products that I've used in this video, and also the macros have been mentioned down below. Let the butter get melted. Let it continue to be on low flame. Add cocoa powder. Add stevia powder as per your taste. So switch off the gas and add almond powder. Give it a good mix, stir it well. And these chocolates are full of fat, and so I call it chocolate fat bombs. So just add this chocolate liquid in the mold, chocolate mold. You can also use cocoa butter and make this recipe. So keep it in the freezer for an hour. And your chocolates are ready. So the chocolates are ready, just demold them. So if you're having those chocolate cravings and desiring for chocolates, then you can prepare your homemade chocolates which are sugar free and also full of fat.